Hello, I would like to show you how to create a reference and citation correctly. The University of Phoenix has the tool for us to use already. What you see in front of you here is the University Library tab. As you can see here under your eCampus, just go to Useful Links, click on Reference and Citation Generator. When you click on that, you can have so many type of references and generator that can create for you. You can, if you find some information from the website or course textbook or journal articles or book itself, we have one author or two and more authors. You can use all this. And so I'm going to show you two samples. One is from the website and another one from the journal article. I will also show you on how to research on the university library to find the peer review article. Okay, let's see. For the first example, let's try to go to a website and let's check out a website. And you are doing a research. Let's say if you want to do a research under Google and this class is change leader, change management. So you want to find out about this change leader skills. So there, just click on it and look for the article or some article that you feel like, oh, okay, that can be more peer review or famous that most people would know and understand. So let's say to Forbes.com here, that definitely it can be peer review. And after you look at on this one here, this article, and it's created in 2020, which is just only a year ago. That would be perfect. So we want to go ahead use this one. And sometimes a lot of ad pop-ups, just kind of ignore it. And look at this. There's a lot of a graphic that you can use. Good information as well. You see how this graphic there would make leader effective. And so you really like the information here. So you want to go ahead and use this website as a one of your references, okay? So what you do, just try to remember, okay, the year and the author and also the name of the article. Highlight it and do Control C, which is copy, and then go back to our reference and citation. Let me take this one out. This one here. So it's a website. Just go ahead, click on website, and then follow whatever they ask us to do. So at this point here, this article has author. So we're going to click on that. And his last name was, let's go back again. His last name, Forkman and Joseph. Okay. So we'll type in Folkman there. And then first name with J. They just take a look at, should we just put only J? No, it said include a period after each initial. So we don't have middle name here. We have only first name. Let's take a peek one more time. You see that? And then next thing here, we just copy the title of the page. So, and then we're going to do Control V, which is the paste it in here. And let's read it again. Capitalize only the first letter of the first word of the title and subtitle and any proper nouns. So the number, it's okay. But then the here capitalize the letter, the first letter only, and then you have to make all this to be small letter. Okay. And this is an article. This is not a brochure or report. The year that this one created is 2020. And it doesn't ask us for the month or the date, so we don't have to worry about it. And then as far as URL, we'll go to the URL and then highlight the URL under the address bar there, do Control C and come back to our generator and put the cursor there, and then put Control V, which is the paste. And then we just click on submit. You click on that. As you can see here, beautiful. It's provide you with the references. All you have to do, just highlight and then copy and paste into your paper. So easy, huh? And you can even see how they already give us the citation on how you would do citation if you want to put this at the end of the sentence. Okay, and that's it for website. And let's say I'll give you another example on how to create um, generator from the let's say journal article. Okay, journal article. And this one, it's even easier. Let's go back to our library again. Go back to our library. Now I want to show you how to research article in the peer review within the university. You don't have to go anywhere. We have thousands and thousands of article, and they're all good. And plus they will provide you with the correct references and citation as well. Let's go ahead, go in there. You're gonna wanna click on University Library. While you're in here, just go into research databases, okay? Because we have so many databases. I highly recommend you to click on P, which is the ProQuest. So our university already paid for the ProQuest for you that you don't even have to pay for, as long as you are the student or the alumni. And here, you just click on Advanced Search under ProQuest. And then type in, because we are in change management class, I want to find out about change leadership skills. So I type in change leadership skills. And I want to see only the abstract part. Abstract is mean the summary of the article. Okay, this will save you a lot of time. You don't have to read the whole article, but you want to get the meat of the information from the abstract. Okay, and make sure you click on full text and peer review. I highly recommend you to click on drop down here, which is either 3 years or 12 years. I mean, 12 months. Do not pick anything more than that, okay? Let's just do 3 years, just to see 3 years, and then click on search. As far as change leadership skills, let's see how many articles we will get. We get about 250 results for the last 3 years. Why don't we do this? Make it only 12 months to make it more current. Look at that. We got for 34 results. We still got 34 results. And then all you have to do, just scroll down to look at what article you want to take it out, the information out. And this is just looks pretty attractive here to me here. What are the attributes of sustainable leadership? So I'm just going to hit take a look in there under their abstract. You see abstract here? It's the summary of this article. You can click here. It's the very short, very small, about 150 words or so or less. And it's a lot, make it a lot easier for you to do a lot of research all at once. So you really like some of the wording in here, and you definitely you can put it in your paper. So all you have to do is just click on cite. See this? And then click on APA 6. Let's say if they do 7 or not. They don't do 7, but that's okay. APA 6 and 7 is very, very close. See, it's even have the indentation for you already. So all you have to do, just highlight and then copy this, and then put into your paper. That's all you have to do. And I hope you enjoy this presentation on how to do the research in the library with check out into the database, and also how to do the reference and citation generator. Thank you for watching.